Here is brightwheel, one of the top childcare apps out there, where you can, as a parent, manage preschool and childcare. This app is in the top charts of education and like preschool. So there is another app, ProCare, if you want to try that. There is this one. This is basically top 2 apps in this category. Either of them is pretty good. There are thousands of rating. It's like very high average rating for this app. So yeah, number one software solution for preschools, childcare providers, camps, and after-school programs, is the only app that integrates everything you need: signing out, messaging, learning assessments, daily sheet reports, photos, videos, calendar, scheduling, attendance, online bill pay for parents, and much more. You can manage your center, streamline workflows, and engage with parents so you can save time and money, make life easier for your staff, and improve satisfaction for your parents. Join tens of thousands of preschools, childcare centers, and daycare programs. So central database, student check-in, staff check-in, attendance, photo and video sharing, assessment observation, student feed. So yeah, then just open up the app, and then you can see how it looks like. You can easily sign up, and then this app works both for teachers or staff or family or approved pickup. So then you can just select here, join your school or invite your school, and then you just create your account, just enter email, phone number, password. It's not possible to sign in with Apple or Google, but that's where you can get started.